All right, I have not rehearsed this or I haven't really thought about it. I thought about the idea, but I didn't think about any specifics. So I'm gonna try to do a really quick video on our first RF install. Now, this is the lower portion of it. This is the control center. The RF portion is gonna be, we're gonna possibly start with a TP-Link. We've got 3 miles to hit, or excuse me, we've got 1.6 miles to hit. We'll use a 3-mile radio. Kind of makes sense. So, starting with the AC grid power, we're going to have a wall wart, 12 volts. Coming into this adapter, and there's a backup, a secondary, in case something happens with that. It's just, this is all homemade, every single bit of it. So, and then this is 12 volt battery. That comes into this. You can't tell what it is because I covered it up with heat shrink. I'm gonna try to find out what that's called. It's a battery backup switch. That, and it works. It's just not uninterrupted. I think it's either 0.3 or 0.7 or it's 30 or 70 milliseconds. So whatever you're running, it does cut off, but it comes right back on, which is not my favorite, but whatever. All right, now, as you can see, we open the box. This 12 volt, it comes into this 24 volt buck converter. The other 12 volts goes into this thermostat. I think that's a WS1209 or something like that. I just bought a bunch today because it's been working great. Once you can figure out that you got to wire it all cockamamie, it works. So that comes to the fan, which is drawing out the heat. I said in another video why I decided to draw it out instead of blowing it in. It's an uninsulated metal building, and that just seems to be the most efficient way to cool it. Coming out of the 12 volt to 24 volt buck converter are 2 leads. One is going into this converter, which is a 24 to 48 converter. That is going to power our Rail-Link Pan Tilt Zoom Track Mix. I don't know why it's called Track Mix. I think it's because it tracks you with a mixture of lenses. It's got a wide angle and a telephoto. That goes into this MikroTik PoE that is plugged into our HAP AC light. And then the other 24 volt powers up that HAP AC light. This is a variable voltage. I love it. I don't care what you're doing, you need this thing in your life. If you don't know what Wi-Fi is, you still need this. It's awesome. And then this is the number 5 port on the HAP AC light. You can just call it HAP. You can tell it's on because of red. And that is what's going to power our radio, which will start off theoretically as a TP-Link 2.4 gig. All right, well, that's as quick as I can make it. I'm out of here. Under 4 minutes.